papa's name is that?
What is this? Some sort of Squid Game?
We are going to play red light, green light, with a twist. First person to cross the finish line without getting caught
will be spared from a gruesome, agonizing death.
The winner will also receive a $15 Walmart gift card.
Nice double A's.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I'm about to get that gift card, Alex. Look at me go, Alex. See how fun I am, Alex. Alex. Everyone run away! That's obviously a good idea! You can kiss that sweet $15 discount goodbye, Boris, because I'm winning this thing!
Poppycock! I happen to hold the world record for world's fastest fox and world's fastest pirate.
Boy, whoever moved there must have been a real blockhead, eh, Bon Bon?
Ah! Speak to me, Bon Bon!
Come on now, little girl. You look like you could use some extra credit.
Looks like it's mono-y-mono, pal!
I've got all day.
There are 10 seconds left.
Oh, barnacles.
I win!
Cheater detected.
What?
You did not win fair or square. As they say in America, cheaters get stitches.
That's not even how the saying goes!
Guess who's got a $15 Walmart card? Me. Ha 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 ha.
Welcome to the second game. You must guess which tile is the strong glass or the weak glass. You have 2 minutes to cross the bridge. Go.
Well, doggone it, this'll be easy.
All right.
How was he doing
How
that?
did he do that?
You see, fellas? All you gotta do is choose the one you think is wrong. It's called reverse psychometry.
Well, which one do you think it'd be?
Hold it! I've got this! The weaker glass should shatter if I drop fire bars at a high frequency. Huh. Oh, Boris! I'm gonna win again, Boris! Wanna know why, Boris?
I swear if you don't shut your bunghole.
'Cause I'm gonna cheat, Boris! This one's for you, Drake. Hup. Ah!
Among us, among us. Among us, among us. Among us, among us.
Anyone understand a word that guy said?
No idea.
Hold on, guys. I can tell the difference. I taught a glass-making class in '97. By looking at the tempered glass from the side, you can distinguish the refraction of the...
They must have all gotten F minuses. But we know which one is obviously the right one.
Poseidon, spare me booty. You wouldn't.
Oh? Oh!
Fly me to the moon and let me play among us.
Ha-ha! Bendy wins again!
You have run out of time. Bye.